Is your AC or heating system on the fritz? Rely on the experts at VLC Heating and Air Conditioning for prompt and professional service. We never charge overtime rates and are available any day, anytime, 24/7. We specialize in all makes and models, including mobile home equipment. Depend on us for service, installation, cleaning, and repair for your air conditioning and gas or electric furnace. We also offer maintenance and repair for gas fireplaces and ductwork inspection and cleaning. Call today and ask about our senior and military discounts.